Alright, I had to pick up my groceries this morning. This is what I got. I got some bread. I got some milk. I got some pickled dill relish. I got me some orange juice. And I got me 8 of these little Michelin dinners. They're $1.18 a piece. And they come in handy if I want a snack. I got me 4 pounds of apples. I got me some slices of ham for sandwiches. And I've been wanting some angel food cake. And this is a small one that satisfied me. I'm going to have a cup of coffee here in a few minutes and have me some cake. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching.